Hi Scorpions, welcome back to my channel. This is Shell Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Let's start with your reading, okay? This is going to be right from 2nd of, supposedly you can take it as 1st as well, I don't know how it is coming, but 2nd of August 2021 and so on. So, Scorpions are having that vibe of like, I started meditating and the moment I closed my eyes and I thought of like, what? And they said benevolent, okay? They gave me that word. It's being kind, possible being generous towards someone, or someone is being with you. These are general vibes, guys, so let's begin with the thing here. Okay, I'm going to use normal deck here, plain. There is someone who is trying to understand you, or you are trying to understand someone. I also feel like kind of like you sometimes, I don't know how, but or why, maybe you are deeply in love with someone, or you adore someone so much and you have so much of affection that you just stay like that, like you stay calm. I feel like you are saying, okay, it's okay. In this time frame, possibly you are saying a lot, it's okay, it's fine, you're fine, we are fine, I'm fine, okay, that kind of energy. I don't know why you are doing this. Then again possibility is about that you are so much in love with someone, or you just adore this person so much that you don't want to just exceed or exaggerate something that is of no use, because most important thing is, or the most important person is, then you don't want to ruin that, and that's fine, you know, that's okay. You also have something that you're being kind towards someone, you're being benevolent towards someone. Basically your heart is kind towards someone in this time frame. Maybe it's about 4 of hearts, 4 of cups energy. This is about the love that you hold for someone, the offer that you are about to make, and if you have done it already, this is all about, I just think about you, okay? That may be the energy. You are having some conversation, or you're going to start having certain conversation with someone in this time frame. This is about Page of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy is around you, and I feel that you are feeling emotional towards them, or can go vice versa. These are general vibes, guys. Someone is figuring out the other energy, possible about how they speak, what they speak. You might want to hear them out, but I heard benevolent, and it's all about you are so caring. In this time frame, possibility is like it's on heights, okay? Again, it's also towards yourself, we all know that, but I kind of get this energy of like you are being that towards someone. So this is about offering, and it's also about whether someone accepts it or not, you're going to stay by their side. It's not that for you know, thousands years, no. It's just about the fact that you just love them. You know that they are right now in this present moment not ready to understand, or not ready to accept something, and that does happen if you're especially with someone and you are in love with them. It's like mood swings, why they're acting the way they're acting. 2 of Pentacles energy, but it's also about you are, I'm hearing the word render, how it fits you, rendering something, okay? It's also something connected with the mess that you are going through with the person, or alone, because you're seeking their answer, or because you're seeking the space so that you people can join each other's life and talk. So there's a hodgepodge. Oh my god, yes. With the 2 of Pentacles, you have Jack of Hearts. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, but its vibe is all about emotions towards that person and understanding someone's chaos as well. Or maybe someone is doing that. There is going to start, if it's yet not here, the conversation with the person. Let's see the flip. It's about love. Let's put that straight. It's about love, affection that you hold for them. If you have already told them, this is what you hold for them. The kind love. Or maybe this kind of love. Can you hear that? This kind of love. It is about announcement. Ace of Hearts, which is Ace of Cups energy, and is connected with you, your life, your family, your commitment. 10 of Cups. There's a lot of adoration, there's a lot of affection. This is one of a kind, benevolent, one of the kind, one of a kind or the kind. So kind love, yes, between two energies. You are deeply in love with someone. And it's like the energy of like, I do understand. So it's going to be a week of love, kindness, understanding one another on a deeper note, making plans for future, doing things together. Six of Pentacles. If you work together, you're working together and loving together. This is about affection. This is also about, as in general, your finances looking up. We just started and number 6 was there. So 6 number is harmony calling in your life. The way I wished or the way I wanted, this is happening. I want to be close to you. Someone is saying, I want to be close to you, and this is going to be the end. I also see reciprocation well maintained. If it's about even new friendship, new love, or already love, this is looking towards the proceedings, more manifestation in life. Work is looking up, finances looking up. You're going to receive something. It's also a lot of affection time, kind. It's being with the person or talking to the person, coming in contact with the person if you have until now. So it's all about 2 of Cups, reunion, union. You're also going out a little bit in this week, supposedly. 6 or 7 days, yes. You're going somewhere possible with them. At least for some, if you're together and you're planning on or you meet, you're going to plan to have a trip together possible. It's also something connected nearby, I feel. This kind of energy is coming. And with the 8 of Wands, you're talking with someone. This is your in card for the now, present call. And you're coming from the place of like high commitment zone, contribution. So if you are married, you are in relationship, then this is like high contribution, and you know this person since 6 years or 7 years, and possible you just got married and it's like just 1 year completing. 8th month again is going to be very important. This is 8 of Wands. Things are looking up for you guys, for the relationship, for other things, for work as well as in general. You're going to be in a loving spirit, kind spirit, team spirit. And that is very good, okay? Especially your energy card of Ace of Hearts. 0808 recording time, double assurance, double move. You'll have the feeling of like I'm with the right person. If you're already, if you're not, they are here. For some cases, it's going to be in the 8th month. But I see you're talking to someone. So this may be the, if it is about something connected with the friendship here, this is again very soft-hearted, kind talk with certain someone in this time frame. Let's see in your present call what is coming. Sorry, future call. I apologize. In the future call, what is coming for you? There are so many. I'm not going to take them. I'm going to take the one that fell aside. Ace of Pentacles. The highest of I heard opportunity and then second call. So possible opportunity call is coming. Ace of Pentacles is about laying the foundation for the coming time. It's also big project coming, payments coming. It's also assurance of a relationship that you're in and is going to lay the foundation. I also hear family planning here. So maybe people are planning on having children, and that's how it is going. For some, this is going to be assured ambience for whatever you are starting. If it is love, assured. Work, assured. Let's see what's beyond Ace of Pentacles. But with the Ace of Pentacles, I'm getting assured. Like you're going to stick to this energy. You're going to stick, both of you. But you're going to stick to the work. You're going to stick to whatever you are doing. And it is going to, like, you are assuring yourself and you're going beyond with that. Being assured comes with the responsibility. So whatever you're going to start, I just had a cup. So there's going to be offer. I feel like some of you are going to be too much in head. 8 of Swords energy. Figuring out something about this particular work, the next opportunity, job, joining, or figuring out about this person. However, it looks original. It looks, if it is professional, professional, original idea, professional, or it looks original, the love. You're going to be consistent, assured, but then you again are thinking about manifesting something on a larger note, like if it's about big project, okay? Be assured that whatever time is left in this, because I always say it's so on. So whatever time is left, I feel the marking will be happening in 2022. Maybe something will happen around 2022, 8th month, okay? So you may come and check back later if you remember this reading, I don't know. But 8 is very important for you because it's repeating. I also feel like you're going to think about whatever conversations you'll have in this time frame with the person, especially the 8th month, okay? This is what going to lay the foundation for the upcoming time. What it is about that you're thinking. You are thinking about making offer, or you are thinking about accepting something here. It's something connected with just in front. You just need to grab it. You need not to ignore it, okay? So don't try to ignore something which is important. You are thinking, but don't overthink about this, because this is what you're thinking. 10 of Pentacles, you're thinking about money, you're thinking about commitment, you're thinking about buying something, home or something. You might be thinking about shifting. It's also big project that is coming. I heard big project coming under roof. So under roof, possible that it's online, you're working from home and it's a big project. This may be something connected with you're doing work from home and you're thinking about it, where it is further going. It's also something that you have a little bit of in mind about the money and assurance or investing or saving kind of energy. But it is also about you're thinking about someone, making big plans to commit to. I'm going to use my own deck. Know you so well. So this is about, you know someone, they know you, okay, but you both know each other well. Midnight talks I see here. Midnight talks, someone is missing you or you are missing someone. It's a love story, already is there or is going to start. So know you so well, love story and missing you. There's also confession. Interesting. Some of you are with someone who knows you so well, missing you because you people are talking. Some conflicting situation to come along with this love of your life. If you're not with them but just talking, then that's a love story. You're going to manifest something very important in your life. Ten of Cups. For some it's a bounce, not for everyone. But it's also something big, and you're going to handle certain situation like it's just a tiny thing or a little thing, and you're going to handle something big emotional time. 10 of Cups. Something is recurring. If it is recurring, then you're going to get in contact with the one you really love and you want to get along with. Making a move what makes you happy, and making a move with someone who makes you happy, leaving behind everything that gave you stress, and it doesn't bother you whether they are falling, whatever is falling, because you want to make sure that this thing stays, whatever is. Like your intuition is telling you something. I have to, you know. Swords vibe. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, male or female doesn't matter. You shouldn't bother. It's the energy of like how to share or how to eat from that cake, basically. The one they are eating from. It's like sharing the piece of knowledge or sharing the piece of happiness with the person. There's this connection that is coming in contact. This may be the one you are coming in contact or you're already with. Who knows? Already. It's kind of energy. Oh, you are here. Maybe they're different. Everyone is different, but they're too different. You're missing someone. You're missing someone. This is a kind approach. It's like kind towards yourself and kind toward this person. As in, like, for some cases, it's like a mirror reflection. Like as if someone was aware all this time that you're going to come, or you knew that they are going to come. There are messages I see around. Okay, let's see from Romance Angels. There's also a question of like what bothers them the most, or what bothers you the most. But I heard that. What bothers them the most? Very soon you're going to know. You're going to figure out. Clearly decide what? I heard that. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Expression will be done here. Express your love. That's expression. For some it's vintage love or old love story that is still continuing. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. There's going to be gesture. Now it depends. Is it a love or friendship love? What kind of connection? But it is coming in the picture. Very soon express your love. And I also feel like if it is like any sign here that I gave you, but also Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, it's kind of energy when someone over here is not making a move. They are not making a move, but it's the energy of like someone is trying to detach, or they stay at bay usually. Okay, and if they stay at bay usually, they are very well in maintaining that distance and very well can stay that for a very long time. And trust issues. And also, if this person is around you, they can handle the biggest of tensions and problems the way they eat cake or the piece of cake, okay? And this can be your story as well. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.